We are all aware of the climate crisis, but did you know the natural world is in crisis too? The UK is now one of the most nature-depleted countries in the world. One in 10 species are under threat, including hedgehogs, water voles and pyramidal orchid. One of the main reasons for the collapse of the natural world is habitat loss, caused by urbanisation and development, intensive farming practices, mismanagement of land, and pollution. The problem we have at the moment is that our best natural habitats, such as woodlands, wildflower meadows, and wetlands, are too small and separated from each other. There is simply not enough space for nature. Wildlife cannot travel between habitats because the landscape in between them is inhospitable for wildlife. The solution to this problem is providing more wildlife habitats, better quality wildlife habitats, and joining up these habitats across our landscape. This is called a nature recovery network. Imagine the place where you live abundant with nature. There are wildflowers in the verges, trees on every corner, allotments and orchards buzzing with wildlife in every community. Local parks are alive with birdsong. There are natural play areas for children, and everyone can connect with nature in a nature reserve near their home. Another way to visualise a nature recovery network is like the London Underground map. The stations are our habitats, like nature reserves, and the lines joining them all up are our nature improvement projects, like wildflower meadows, tree planting and hedgerows. This network enables wildlife populations to expand and spread, travelling through the landscape. Here are a few easy examples of how we can bring more nature into our landscape. Incorporate nature into building developments, including space for trees, hedgerows, and places for wildflowers. Cut road verges at different times of the year to support pollinators. Make gardens and green spaces wildlife friendly. Speak to your local councillors and MPs to make sure nature is considered in local plans and policies. Want to get more involved? To volunteer and be a champion for nature in your local community, visit www.staffs-wildlife.org.uk.